Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I recently filmed this look today. It's currently 10 past 2 in the morning, so it's really late. I've just come home from a get together at my parents'. I've had this makeup on for at least 67 hours. It's kind of gone, I mean, the eyeshadow and everything is kind of stick, so I like the way it stayed. My lips just look nowhere. My skin does feel really agitated because it's like itching, but I thought what I do is I do a winding down video with you guys and just show you guys how I get my makeup off, how I wash everything, and really just get it ready for bed. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take my eyelashes off. If you wear eyelashes, you know how it feels, so that's nice. I'm picking up these coconut facial wipes. I got these from TK Maxx. So I got these from TK Maxx. I got a pack of 2, I think for like £3-4. So usually what I do is I'll just take out a wipe. They're quite hard, like the tissue itself is hard, so it's not one of those wipes where you can easily work with. You actually have to kind of apply a bit of pressure onto your skin, but I just go ahead and really just wipe my face first. I don't concentrate on my eyes, I just concentrate on my face first. Just try and get everything off of it, because I feel like I always miss my face the most when it comes to taking off all the makeup. Now we're gonna go on to the eyes. This doesn't take everything off, it does prepare it though, so that's why I use this. But I'll be looking like a monster for a bit, so don't mind me. This is the only thing I don't like about these wipes, that they're not the greatest when it comes to trying to take off makeup. They're okay when it comes to like trying to take off the face makeup, but not the eye makeup. So I start with this and then I go into other methods. Garnier Sin Active Micellar Water. This is oil infused. I just shake that up and I pick up one of these cotton buds. Start with 2. This does make my eyes sting though, so I just be a bit cautious when it comes to this, because it says no rinse off suitable for contact lens wearers, no parabens, it's dermatologically tested. It says, is this micellar water oil infused cleansing water right for me? Yes, if you're looking for an efficient all-in-one solution to cleanse, remove all types of makeup, even waterproof and long wear, and eliminate impurities such as pollution in one step, suitable for sensitive skin and eyes. So pretty much, I mean, I used to have the other one, which was just micellar water. It had no oil in it, and I preferred that a bit more. But me being me, I didn't really read what it said, but it still works. So just get my cotton bud slightly damp. I don't want it to be completely drenched with oil, because my eyes are stinging. I don't want it to sting. And guys, I think the James Charles palette has actually stained my eyelids. I did hear that something like this was happening. So I just tried to go as gentle as possible. I have a more intensive nighttime routine when it comes to my makeup, removing and cleaning my face, than my morning, because your skin rejuvenates during the night. I like to give my skin the best cleaning, kind of the best cleansing step by step, and really clean it properly, instead of just, I wouldn't just stick to this step, and that's because I'm just really cautious and my skin's really sensitive, so I don't want it to, get breakouts because I haven't cleaned it properly. So go on to the other eye, and just again make that damp. Sometimes what I do like to do is Sometimes what I do like to do is leave the cotton bud on my eyelid, and what this does is, because it's oil infused, it kind of like just breaks down all that makeup. And what you can also do, which I found works really well, is if you've got coconut oil, and I know in London it was really hot this summer, and my coconut oil that I always keep in my kitchen, it melted. Like it was all in liquid form. So what I used to do is dip my cotton bud in the coconut oil and use that to clean off my makeup. But then it kind of got to the point where I needed the coconut oil to cook, and what I didn't really want to do is just kind of mix the two, and I had this like facial regime going on, so I just thought it's best to just let it be. I know this is like long, but you have to be really gentle when it comes to taking off your makeup, especially around your eyes, because you don't want to agitate your eyelids, you don't want to agitate your like all of this bit, your, you know, where your bags are, you don't want to agitate that, because you can just create pimples. So we've used 2 cotton buds, which just looks so disgusting, and a coconut water. So next I pick up the Nivea Men Protect and Care Deep Cleansing Face Wash, and the only reason I use the men's is because I feel they're more sensitive to sensitive skin, because men don't wear makeup, so their skin, you know, and they don't have, like, they're not prone to a lot of pimples, unless you're, you know, you're prone to acne. That's a different story. But a lot of men's skin, you know, you don't need a harsh face wash, so I find like that their face washes are quite convenient for me. I also like to use their the aftershave, which I use as primers as well, but I like to use this a lot, and I wash my face with this every day. So I will just apply this everywhere, on damp skin, just kind of massage it in, and then, you know, go ahead and rinse it off. Okay, so I've just dampened my skin, so I just apply the tiniest bit. That's all I need for my whole face. I rub it between my fingers, and then I just apply it everywhere. So it's not like a foamy, but it's just, and it does have like aloe vera in it, but it does also like have one of those tingly feelings, and it smells like of my husband. So. Okay, now that everything is clean, it does leave your skin feeling really dry, and I have just become so dry this winter that I've had to use either coconut butter, but then it's become too oily, so I've had to kind of really experiment, and I've come across this a serum, which is the SkinFaced It's What We Do moisturizing, this is the moisturizing boost serum. So I bought this from TK Maxx, and I love it. It's got one of those pumps, so you can pretty much just kind of control how much you're putting on, and that's all I really need. I don't need more than that. It has like a coconut smell, but not like a strong one, because I don't really like coconut scents a lot. I don't know what it is, but just the smell of coconut on my face kind of makes me nauseous if it's strong. So this one is quite nice because it's not strong at all, and it does leave a really refreshing feeling to my face. So all I'm really doing is just dabbing that in everywhere. This is really helping me because I flake on my cheeks. Next, we're picking up the Insitut Karite Paris skin types. The only reason I love this a lot is because it's really light. So it's really light on your skin. You don't like, I don't mind creams for sensitive skin, but I just don't see a difference, to be honest with you. I really don't. And that's probably, and it's probably best because I use quite a lot of creams on my face as it is. I always try to experiment as much as I can. I don't want the same routine all the time. I like to change it up, and that's because my skin gets used to a lot of stuff really easily, and then it breaks out. So that's kind of why I've started using the serum as well, to just kind of change it a bit. I've been ill for like the whole month of December, and I think all of those toxins are now coming out in my skin, and it's horrible. So it's been quite disgusting. But yeah, this is the end of it. This is my skin. I'm now ready to go to bed. I'm so ready to go to bed. I do have dark circles, but that's just, I've always had those, so I don't really do anything special with them. I just take my vitamins and stuff like that, and my water. Thank you for watching, guys. I have got a really in-depth cleaning regime on Instagram, so if you haven't seen that, please do go ahead and click on that. And until next time, I wish you guys all well, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.